So welcome again to this channel. As you know, I show people how to make money online legitimately on this channel. So today I'm going to show you all about Clipclaps. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share. Drop a comment in the comment section of any question or sort, any question you have at all, and I'll make sure to respond to it immediately. I respond to my comments faster than anybody, and I can assure you that. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, it's very important. And then let's go directly to the video. So there's a fun way of making money online, and the name of the site, the name of the application is Clipclaps. So all you have to do right now, you just go to the Play Store and go to Clipclaps. And before you rush to go and download this application, you have to listen to this video to the very end. If you skip any part, you miss my bonus tips. It can pop up anytime, whenever it just comes to my mind, and I will see it out. So just go to the Play Store and download this application, Clipclaps, and then once you are done with that, click on open. Sign in. The signing in is just your Gmail account. Once you click on sign in with your Gmail account, it automatically sign in without any of your information. They don't require any, they will not ask for any information at all. It just asks you to just click on any of your Gmail, just select anyone and it will automatically sign in. So Clipclaps is an exciting app actually, that it rewards you for browsing funny videos and pictures from your mobile device. And it's very similar to Break. If you know Break, I made a video about it before. Break is very similar to it. So you can cash out with PayPal, Visa, gift cards, and in-game currencies. Does this app? Some people ask, does this app pay real money? Yes, it pays real money. These are the proof on the screen right now. Real proofs from my group, my WhatsApp group. You can check the description below. You see the WhatsApp link there to join the group immediately, and it's very limited. I allow limited number of people. It will take a very long time before I open a new one, so make sure to join immediately. So this Clipclaps is a GPT app that pays you for watching videos. If actually if I look for a fun way to make money online, this is the right app for you. This is the right app for you to make money online doing fun. And this is not something that you just sit down every day and be doing. You do it at your leisure times, like when you are not doing anything. Like, you know, when you watch TikToks for fun, this is what you can do as your side hustle. So for every 1,000 coins, get $1. Your coins will show here. So for every 1,000 coins, you get $1 for every 1,000 coins. And this is your Clipclaps code, your followers, people you are following, and then claps received. And these things are not really important like that. So let's go to the rewards. This is where I went to. We go to rewards here. This is rewards here. Rewards. So you go to rewards, and then you can see here. The rewards what? The rewards exchange. You can see the rewards exchange. That's where you exchange your coins for US dollars. You can only get your rewards in dollars. So if you want to check your coins total, just click on it. Click on where your coins are, your dollars, to show your dollars here, how many dollars you have at or all together, to show everything there. So if you're in Nigeria, because you register with your Gmail account, it was automatically translated to Naira also. So for every 1,000 coins you have, it will give you $1. And it's not very hard to get coins on this site. It's very simple and easy, and I'll show you the ways you can actually go about this. So let's go. So now, to get your coins, just come to your home page here. Come to your home page. This is your home page. Just click on videos here, and then once you click on video, just go to a video that is up to 1 minute. Be checking out for this, checking the time here, just be checking for it. Then once you see a video that is more than 1 minute, click on. The reason why I said the video that is more than 1 minute is because those videos, they accumulate faster than videos of 30 seconds and then all those other stuff. Those ones, they don't really entice me. I don't like wasting my time, you understand? So you need to look for a video that is more than 1 minute. 1 minute or more. Don't look for anything less than that. Just look for a video that is more than 1 minute. This is an example here. So once you have seen a video of your choice, click on the video. So your coins are adding up right here. So once it's full, you click on claim. Click on claim. Then we're gonna check our home page, our profile for it. So the CEO of Clipclap is Jonathan Snare. The picture is on the screen right now. You can search for it on Google. That's the CEO of Clipclap. It's actually a very legit app. Actually, it's legit. People are actually paying. I've shown you the proof at the beginning of this video. So if you want to earn more from this, if you want to earn more rewards, just come here and then check all these things out. You can see all these fun ways of earning money. Play game and the other stuff. You can even refer your friends to it. You can refer your friends. You can see it. You can refer your friends. Let me show you. You can refer your friends also. You can play games, complete stacks, and get clap coins like this. What I showed you before on the profile. Claps received. This is where to go to if you have done any of that. This is not actually my official account for Clipclaps. This is just a particular account for it. So I've opened this account and I've tested it out again after I've done that first one. So I just wanted to like gather some information about it again so I can show you guys. So these are other things. These are also other ways of earning money from it. You can spin, bounty research, beat labs, raffle, receive cash. And for every day you log in, just come to this place, this same place I'm showing you right now. You can come to this same place I'm showing you right now. This place, come to your rewards in this dashboard here. Just come to your rewards and click on it, and then just come here daily and claim your free coins. You can see it here. These are free. So for every day you log in, you can come here and claim everything one by one. So let me check how many dollars I have in total. Once you click on exchange, for people that don't have up to 1,000 coins, it will show here. You can see. So once you have up to 1,000 coins, you can convert it to dollars. But I already have dollars already. So let me just show you that I'm coming. So most of you might be wondering, when is your cash going to? So once you want to check that out, if you want to check your balance, just come to this, click on it here. Once you click on this, it will show you your cash balance. So let me check it out for you guys. This is why this is loading. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. So you can see now I have 600 coins. Okay, the way I got the 600 coins, let me show you. So I came here on a normal note. Once you have watched a video, that's why I said watch a video for 1 minute. After getting your extra coins, you still get an extra 500 coins for every 1 minute video you watch. So make sure to watch a 1 minute video. It's preferable. It's very preferable. So watch video for one minute. Watch video for 1 minute, get 500 coins. So that's why I said you should watch. You can see, just visit to my advice. And then come here. And you can see different categories here. You can see clap coins, cash, and then your diamonds. So to get your cash, know where your cash, just click on here, and then you can see here they have given me a total of $1. I think that dollar rate here is very low. Serious, this is very low. How would they giving me 300 naira for $1? It's too low, very low. And the minimum you can withdraw is $0.10. You see? So if you have a PayPal account, you're lucky. If you have a PayPal account, you can just start this immediately and just start in. As I said before, this is not something I'm meant to sit down to do like a very serious job. This is just a side hustle, just something that you can be getting small card money from. You get. So they will still collect charges, not like it's free like that. They will still collect charges from you. So you can get diamonds, but you have to pay for it $10, $20, $5, that and that. So that's all about this video. I hope you learned something today, and just drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this application, if it's good for people to be using. And then if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section, and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. And I'll see you guys again in the next video.